Afternoon, good evening. All right, what's up, everybody? We have, Direct Tools. They've been MIA for a while, but they coming with the hot sauce today. It's so many deals, y'all. I can't go through them all. I'm just gonna have to just tell you to go to the website and leave certain links to pages because it's just too much. So first, let's just try to cover the individual kits. All right. Before we get into today's tool deals, I want to invite you to the Facebook group. I post other deals there that I can't make videos on. Plus, we can all share our experiences with certain tools. So let's grow as a community and join the Facebook group. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I usually don't ask, but subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. First of all, I brought this up. Now, remember, I just talked about this yesterday and the day before at Home Depot. But yesterday they had this 4-tool kit at Home Depot. It's $3.99 there. You do get a free gift, and if you hack it, it comes down to, I don't know, $2.80 or something, $2.90. It was still too much in my opinion because this reciprocating saw is better than the Ryobi, but it's not the best on the market. And this oscillating tool, I heard they burn up. Now, granted, you have lifetime warranty, so that probably is not an issue, but But the impact wrench and the hammer drill, good. They're great. They're good. And you get good batteries too, because you're getting the new max high output batteries. So for $3.99, no, but $227, ooh, plus $10 shipping, but $227. Now that I'd consider. All right. Moving on, we have this ridiculous Ryobi set, okay? You need 2 bags for all this nonsense. So you get this poo-poo reciprocating saw. It's not good. This light's also horrible. I hear the oscillating tool is very good. The thing is, you have this big bump out on the bottom, so it's not all that, it can't reach in every little crevice. But if you notice, it has a trigger to activate it. I like that because if you drop it, it stops. That's one of the problems the other ones have. Then I'm not about to compare this to DeWalt and upset people, but I don't like the way you change the blade on the DeWalt. It's fast, but you can bump that thing, and if the blade is activated because it's a switch, that thing can fly out. This is really the best design out there. So anyway, I say all that to say I've seen people use the Ryobi oscillator tool. It works good. How long will it last? I don't know, but it works good. Jigsaw probably also works really good. I know the circular saw works well. I used it to rebuild some stairs before, and it worked well. Had no complaints. And I just used a regular stock blade. No complaints. The palm sander, I don't know. This orbital sander, I don't know. It may work good, it may not. This impact and the hammer drill. If we go look at the specs, they're actually not that bad. 500 inch-pounds on excuse me, I call it a hammer drill. It's not a hammer drill. It's just a drill, but 500 inch-pounds is not terrible for that thing. And the impact is 1,800 inch-pounds. That's good. That's really good. So I'm saying all that to say, you get two 4-amp-hour batteries. It's a slow charger, it's a basic charger, and you get a 1.5-amp-hour battery. That's a lot of stuff for $197.99 plus $10 shipping. All right, so this would make a fantastic gift for somebody, or for somebody starting off. Like, this is a kit I get my son, and he should be pretty good for a few years until he's ready to tackle bigger projects. All right, now they also have this generator. It's, I think the wattage was like 3,500. I know it's 3,400. There you go, 3,400 running watts, 4,000 starting watts. It's $299. It's 40% off. Factory Blemished, so that's new. I don't deal with the factory reconditioned stuff. I don't like that, but brand new or factory blemish stuff is new. That's not bad, y'all, for $299. Okay. Moving on. Now, don't think you're gonna power your whole house or something like that. I mean, it's for like small. It's like a job site type of deal, or for your RV to power the AC or something like that, or your RV. But this is not bad for a generator in that watt range. Moving on. Okay. You have this hammer drill. Okay, and it is actually a hammer drill. You have this hammer drill with the handle. It's a kit, 1.5-amp-hour battery, and the most basic of the basic chargers for $23 for $24. Okay, this does 600 it says 600 pounds of torque. It's inch pounds, okay? 600 inch pounds of torque. Look, y'all, that's a good deal. As much as I don't like Ryobi, I can't say I don't like Ryobi. I have some Ryobi stuff, mostly lawn stuff, and they're good. But this is good. $24. I mean, come on. All right, I've been saying I need a pole saw. They just been too expensive. I prefer the Milwaukee one and a 10-inch. But man, this 8-inch Ryobi for $72 is looking quite delicious. Because those Milwaukees, man, they were gonna run me $300-400. I mean, if I wanted to just get the pole saw itself, it was like $280. That's just too much. That's too much. It's $209 more. I don't think I could do that. I'm not, out here cutting everybody in the city's branches. I'm just doing my own. So I think this might be all right. All right. And it takes the regular 18 volt. You just pop an 18 volt battery in there. Got this extender. And I think I might bite that. All right. Now we have a wet dry vac. I've already gone over good deals for the day, but I'm nowhere near done. This wet dry vac. I don't know. I've never used it. It's 3 gallon. The Ridgid is very good. So it's $50. I have no experience. You could just copy this, the P3240, and check out reviews on Home Depot to see how it works, and decide whether you want to pull the trigger on that or not. Now we have this brushless impact driver kit. Now they do have a little combo kit, but the drill that comes with it, the hammer drill that comes with it, is a weaker hammer drill than the one I just showed you for $24. And if you get both of them together, it's $89. But if you buy them individually, this and the other, you come out way cheaper and you get better tools, frankly. So this impact driver does 1,700 inch-pounds of torque. It's good. Comes with battery, a carrying case, and a charger. $54. Good deal. All right, so now it's just we on the pages because it's just too much. And this is still not everything. So you see there's the biggest boy hammer drill, but this only does 750 inch-pounds. That one I showed you for $24, it does 600. That will be enough. Let's scroll down some more. See, this is the deal I was talking about, $90. It's not really a deal. If you buy them separately, you get better tools for cheaper, all right? This is the same two tool combo kit from Ridgid that Home Depot has. If you hack it over at Home Depot, it becomes $122. Yes, it's cheaper because you don't have to pay for shipping. It's $10 shipping charge with direct tools, plus returns is easier with Home Depot. You get 90 days to return it, so I say that's a much better deal. Now, here's another interesting deal. I don't like that. Okay. Let's click it. So you have this mid-torque impact wrench. I don't know the specs on that. And you have this right angle ratchet. These are great tools. I have the Milwaukee M12. It's a great tool. And I have two Milwaukee M12s, actually. The stronger one, and the basic brush one. It works great. The problem with this one is it has this big bump out. So it's not going to be able to reach everywhere. This is going to get in your way sometimes. So that's the downfall of this. But as far as power goes, it's the same as the Milwaukee. 35 foot-pounds. There you go. And the impact wrench does 300 foot-pounds. That's not all that great, but it's okay. I mean, you could definitely do stuff on cars, get lug nuts on and off and all that with this just fine. $90 for the kit. That's not terrible. But I don't like that right angle ratchet. I would get the extended head version, which they have a little further down. This is an interesting deal too for $149, but these are weaker tools and I wouldn't deal. This impact wrench kit from Ridgid. It depends. This thing I have to pump out at least 500 foot-pounds for me to say, yo, this is a pretty good one. Or at least 450. 450. And it even comes with a socket set. I said, this is not a bad deal. And it did $450. Man, I'm right on the money. I be knowing. I know, okay? That's not bad. That's not bad. $89 for the kit. That's a good deal. I like it. That's a good deal. All right. So let's keep going. This subcompact, I don't know what the business is with this. What is the power rating here? I think I looked it up and it was like 227, which is not bad. 225. It's not terrible, but I just do deal with the one we just saw. I wouldn't even have all these extra tools. That one was small enough. Now, this extended reach ratchet right here is $89.99 though. It's too much money. But I think it came with a kit. And one of these deals, I mean, you got to just keep searching. It's a lot of stuff. Look, there's a framing nailer, or it's a Ridgid framing nailer. Now, I encourage you to look up the reviews on this because I didn't. $179.99 lifetime warranty. As long as you register, lifetime warranty. Look, go ahead and look this up because, yeah, that's pretty cheap. Let's keep going. Okay, let's not keep going. Let's stop because we could just keep going all day. All right, now look, I talked about the inflator 2 days ago because I showed y'all that $25 one over at Home Depot, which I don't have up because I didn't go this far earlier down the line. But yeah, it's $41.99. And it's a kit. It comes with a battery and a charger. Normally it's a $79.99 at Home Depot. Boom, $51.99. Yeah, you're in there. So there you are with the inflator. Don't get that little $25 one. This is much better because you can set it and forget it, and it works pretty good. A 7-inch dual angle grinder. Now look, somebody who joined the Facebook group yesterday, he left a comment asking if I could find a angle grinder. Now this is a monster for $179. Oh, it's not available to ship to home. It's cordless too. That's a monster. He wanted a Milwaukee, but I mean, for the size and what you're getting, this thing is probably heavy as I don't know, 15 pounds. Yeah. But maybe, again, I hate these little bump outs with the Ryobis, man. But anyway, you guys go through that page, and there's one more page I want to show you. All right, so this Ridgid miter saw stand is very good. It's $65.99. It's one of the best on the market. Most people get the DeWalt's and use the Ridgid miter saw stand. So $65.99, very good deal. That's the cheapest I've ever seen it. And I bought it for $65.99 over 2 years ago. So same deal. That was back when I thought Direct Tools might have been a scam. I got it that long ago. All right, so here's a chainsaw, a 10-inch chainsaw for $59.99. If you needed a chainsaw, there you go, $60. That's cheap as I don't know what. This blower is $35.99. I don't know what the flow is on this though. If it's at least it's $200. That's okay. I mean, that's not bad for $36. It's not bad for $36. You got to make sure you have some Ryobi batteries, though. This power scrubber, man, I mean, I got to do the windows on this house now. And, I was just going to get up on a ladder and scrub. But this right here might be what I need. And I don't even have to get up on a ladder. So, there you go. And then they have the factory reconditioned. 79, it don't make sense. It's the same, it's more money. So just get the brand new one for less money. If you need something like that, this battery, no, that's too much money. We saw that earlier, pole saw. And yeah, you guys just go through this page. It's more stuff. This rotary tool, $41.99. I've never even seen one that looks like that. A PEX clamping tool, $59.99. Soldering station, $36. A heat gun. I think that's a bit much for a Ryobi heat gun, $42. I do think that's a little bit much. But yeah, it's a lot going on. And the last thing I'm going to just click and look at, real quick, I want to say this too. This Job Max, heard a lot of good things about it because you can change the head off of it, but I hear it doesn't last that long. But again, you do have your LSA, your lifetime service agreement with that. I'm about to wrap this up real quick. Let's just look at the specs on this impact wrench. It need to be at least full something. And it's 150 paltry pounds. Don't fool with it. That is not good. And I am going to stop it here. Okay, we were at the end anyway. I'm going to stop it here because that's a lot, y'all. Links in the description. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.